Welcome to LazyBud GK One-Liner, your smart stop for quick, easy, and powerful GK. Today's Class 6 is all about the Gupta Empire, the golden age of ancient India, known for its strong rulers, advanced administration, flourishing trade, remarkable art and literature, and major scientific achievements. Let's get started. Section 1. Origin of the Gupta Empire, around 320 CE. Question 1. Who founded the Gupta Empire? Answer. The Gupta Empire was founded by Sri Gupta. Question 2. Around when was the Gupta Empire established? Answer. It was established around 320 CE. Question 3. Which region formed the core of the Gupta Empire? Answer. The core region of the empire was Magad, in present-day Bihar, along with parts of northern India. Question 4. Who was the first prominent ruler of the Gupta dynasty? Answer. The first prominent ruler was Chandragupta I. Question 5. When did Chandragupta first reign? Answer. He ruled from around 320 to 335 CE. Question 6. Why is Chandragupta first considered important? Answer. He is important because he started the Gupta era and expanded the kingdom's territory. Question 7. Whom did Chandragupta first marry to strengthen his position? Answer. He married Kumardevi of the Lichavi clan, which helped him gain both prestige and power. Question 8. Who succeeded Chandragupta first? Answer. His son Samudragupta succeeded him. Question 9. What was Samudragupta famous for? Answer. Samudragupta was famous for his military conquests and the vast expansion of the empire. Question 10. How do we know about Samudragupta's achievements? Answer. His achievements are recorded in the Allahabad pillar inscription, also called the Prashasti. Section 2. Expansion under Samudragupta, c. 335 to 375 CE. Question 11. Which regions did Samudragupta conquer? Answer. Samudragupta conquered most of northern and central India. Question 12. Did he annex all the states he conquered? Answer. No, not all. Some kingdoms were made tributary states that accepted his authority. Question 13. Which river formed the western boundary of the empire? Answer. The Yamuna River and parts of Punjab marked the western boundary. Question 14. Did Samudragupta campaign in the south? Answer. Yes, he led successful southern campaigns, after which the southern rulers paid tribute to him. Question 15. Was Samudragupta only a warrior king? Answer. No, he was also a scholar, poet, and patron of arts. Question 16. What title did Samudragupta assume? Answer. He adopted the title Exterminator of Enemies, as mentioned in his inscriptions. Question 17. How did Samudragupta maintain law and order? Answer. He governed efficiently through local governors and the tribute system. Question 18. Did Samudragupta issue coins? Answer. Yes, he issued gold coins that depicted him performing rituals and military scenes. Question 19. Did Samudragupta promote any religion? Answer. Yes, he patronized Hinduism, while also showing respect toward Buddhism. Question 20. Who succeeded Samudragupta as ruler? Answer. His son Chandragupta II, also known as Vikramaditya, succeeded him. Section 3. Chandragupta I, Vikramaditya, c. 375 to 415 CE. Question 21. How did Chandragupta II strengthen the Gupta Empire? Answer. He strengthened the empire by conquering western India, including Gujarat and Malwa. Question 22. Did foreign trade flourish during his reign? Answer. Yes, trade with the Roman Empire and Southeast Asia greatly flourished under his rule. Question 23. What were the major capitals of the Gupta Empire under Chandragupta II? Answer. The main capital was Patliputra, and Ujjain served as a secondary capital. Question 24. Did Chandragupta II issue coins? Answer: yes, he issued beautiful gold coins featuring deities and his royal achievements. Question 25. What title did Chandragupta II assume? Answer: he took the grand title Vikramaditya, meaning the son of Vela. Question 26. Which religions did Chandragupta II support? Answer: he promoted Hinduism, but also supported Buddhism and Jainism. Question 27. Did the arts flourish under his rule? Answer: yes, this period saw great progress in sculpture, architecture, and painting. Question 28. What famous cave temples were built during his reign? Answer: the early phase of the Ajanta caves was developed during his time. Question 29. How was the Gupta administration organized? Answer: the empire was divided into provinces, each governed by officials under central authority. Question 30. What were the main economic activities? Answer: the economy thrived on agriculture, trade, mining, and taxes on crafts and commerce. Section 4. Later Gupta rulers. Question 31. Who succeeded Chandragupta II? Answer: his son Kumargupta first succeeded him. Question 32. What major challenges did Kumargupta first face? Answer: he faced invasions by the Hunas in northwestern India. Question 33. Who succeeded Kumargupta first? Answer: his son Skandagupta succeeded him. Question 34. How did Skandagupta defend the empire? Answer: Skandagupta successfully fought the Hunas and protected the northern frontiers. Question 35. Under which rulers did the Gupta Empire begin to decline? Answer: the decline began under the later Gupta rulers, after Skandagupta. Question 36. When did the Gupta Empire finally decline? Answer: it declined around 550 CE due to invasions and internal weaknesses. Question 37. Did the empire fragment after its fall? Answer: yes, the empire broke into regional kingdoms. Question 38. Which foreign invaders caused much of the destruction? Answer: the Hunas, also known as Hephthalites, were responsible for major invasions. Question 39. Did Gupta administrative traditions continue afterward? Answer: yes, many Gupta administrative practices were continued by later regional rulers. Question 40. Did Gupta art and culture survive after the fall of the empire? Answer: yes, Gupta art and literature continued to inspire future generations in India. Section 5. Administration and governance. Question 41. What was the main political unit of the Gupta Empire? Answer: the empire was divided into provinces, each ruled by governors. Question 42. Who helped the king in running the administration? Answer: ministers and royal officers, known as Amatyas, assisted the king. Question 43. Were spies used like in the Mauryan period? Answer: yes, though less extensive, intelligence gathering existed under the Guptas. Question 44. How were laws and justice enforced? Answer: justice was maintained by local officials and village assemblies. Question 45. Was taxation systematic? Answer: yes, taxes were collected on land, trade, and handicrafts. Question 46. Did the Gupta army use elephants? Answer: yes, the army included war elephants, cavalry, and infantry. Question 47. Were Gupta capitals fortified? Answer: yes, cities like Patliputra were well fortified. Question 48. Did the Gupta Empire maintain communication systems? Answer: yes, there were postal and communication networks for administration and defense. Question 49. Were provincial rulers hereditary or appointed? Answer: most provincial rulers were appointed by the emperor. Question 50. Did the Guptas allow local self-governance? Answer: yes, village councils managed local affairs and disputes. Section 6. Economy. Question 51. What was the main occupation during the Gupta period? Answer: the main occupation was agriculture. Question 52. Which crops were grown? Answer: farmers cultivated rice, wheat, barley, sugarcane, and cotton. Question 53. Was trade important to the Gupta economy? Answer: yes, both internal and international trade were highly developed. Question 54. With which regions did the Guptas trade? Answer: they traded with Rome, Southeast Asia, and Central Asia. Question 55. Did coinage develop further under the Guptas? Answer: yes, the Guptas introduced gold coins called dinaras, which became standard currency. Question 56. Were handicrafts significant during this time? Answer: yes, weaving, metalwork, and pottery were important industries. Question 57. Did urban centers grow during the Gupta period? Answer: yes, cities like Patliputra, Ujjain, and Varanasi became prosperous centers of trade. Question 58. Was mining encouraged? Answer: yes, gold, silver, and iron mining were promoted. Question 59. Did the Gupta Empire control natural resources? Answer: yes, the state managed forests, mines, and irrigation systems. Question 60. Why is the Gupta economy considered prosperous? Answer: because it was marked by high agricultural output, flourishing trade, and a strong coinage system.